All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this gorgeous 7 Series M from Wisconsin in for a BimmerTech CarPlay piece. This car is gorgeous. I mean, it looks black, but it's actually like a purple brown. It's hard to see on video, but in person, it just looks fantastic. It has the really nice silver wheels, and the interior is just phenomenal. So we'll show you that. I mean, this car is fully loaded, and it's a 2013. But I mean, look at this interior. So it's got this gorgeous brown interior with the piano black, with the gold accents. I mean, just all the billet aluminum grills, the Bang & Olufsen system with the pop-up motorized tweeter, center channel tweeter. I mean, just a phenomenal car. Now, the only thing that was horrible is obviously the original infotainment system. So we added Apple CarPlay, so it uses all the factory. So aesthetically, nothing changes on the vehicle. Everything looks exactly as if it came with the car. So the way you access it is you hold down the menu button, and now, you can access everything, right? So you can get to all your maps, you can use Siri, you can do everything that you could do as if the car came with the Apple CarPlay from the factory. And if you want to switch back to the factory, all you have to do is hold down the menu button and you can get into your factory settings for the car or whatnot. Then hold it again and back to Apple CarPlay. And with Apple CarPlay, you can do Siri. So now you can just speak a command. Hey Siri, get directions to the Sears Tower. It's gonna correct me, but I still say Sears Tower. And there you go. And so now it's gonna get us directions to Willis Tower. And, but you can text, you can do everything. Now the car, as far as the original functionality, because this car has everything, front and rear camera, 360 camera, backup camera. I mean, it is fully loaded. So all of that continues to work. None of that changes. A lot of times we get asked, well, does anything change? What do I lose? This and that. And it's like nothing. You actually gain a bunch, obviously. So what you're gaining is the ability to have modern Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on the phone. It's a great solution, especially for a car that's pristine and you don't want to change anything or add anything to it. It's all behind the scenes, and to the naked eye, it looks like there's nothing been done.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.